I'm going to talk about on how to add games to your Game Stick Lite 4K. If you're looking to expand your game collection and play more of your favorite titles, you're in the right place. It's actually pretty simple, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. All right, first things first, you'll need your Game Stick Lite 4K, a computer or laptop with internet access, and a microSD card reader. Once you got all that, let's get started. First, download the ROM files of the games you want to add. If you want cover images, grab those two in PNG format and make sure they have the same name as the ROM file. Once that's done, take out the microSD card from your Game Stick Lite 4K and plug it into your computer using a card reader. Now, open up the SD card on your computer and find a folder called Games. Inside, you'll see different folders for different consoles. This is where you'll be adding your ROMs. Just drag and drop your game ROMs and cover images into the right folders. Make sure the file format matches the ones that are already there. Next, you'll need a program called DB Browser for SQLite. Download and install it on your computer. It's going to let you edit the database so your Game Stick Lite 4K recognizes the new games. Once it's installed, find a file called games.db on your microSD card and open it with DB Browser. Now, this is where you actually add your games. Go to the LEN table and insert new records for each game you're adding. Make sure the names match exactly with your ROM files, or they won't show up. Then go to TBL_games and add the game details following the same format as the existing ones. Again, double check that the titles match the ROM names so everything works properly. Be careful when editing the database. If you mess something up, it could cause issues with your Game Stick Lite 4K. That's why it's super important to make a backup of your games.db file before making any changes. If anything goes wrong, you'll have a safe copy to restore. Once you've added everything, save your changes in DB Browser and replace the modified games.db file on your microSD card. Then, safely eject the microSD card from your computer and put it back into your Game Stick Lite 4K. Now the fun part, turn on your Game Stick Lite 4K and check out your newly added games.